Have you ever heard of unrelated targeting? Choosing an interest-based Facebook audience that has literally nothing to do with your product or service? I'm going to explain to you in the video what unrelated targeting is, how you can set it up, and how it can help you to get more return on your ad spend. Hi, my name is Evelyn. I'm the founder and owner of Conversion Blueprint, where we help local businesses, e-commerce businesses, SaaS companies and coaches to make Facebook ads work for them. If you have been advertising on Facebook for a while now, you are probably already aware that it gets more and more expensive, right? That's why you have to think constantly of new strategies on how to get the most out of the money you put in. In the last couple of years, we have discovered a pretty cool hack that has brought us success in a lot of our client campaigns. And that is combining the actual targeting that makes sense for the product or service we want to sell with a completely unrelated interest. Let me give you an example so it is easier to understand what I mean by it. Let's say you want to sell an ebook about copywriting. So who will be interested in that ebook? It is probably people that are interested in copywriting, in marketing, in certain pages. So as always, you probably do your market analysis and your niche research, and then you try to do something new. And this is especially helpful if you're on a small budget. You did your audience research and you have a big audience of people that are interested in copywriting itself. So now you want to narrow down with other interests that are highly passionate but don't have to do anything with copywriting. So let's, for example, take golf or fishing. These are hobbies people spend a lot of time and money on it, and it's also niches that are easy to research. So you research everything about this niche and you come up with a proper targeting for this niche. And now you combine that. So you have your targeting for copywriting and you have your perfect targeting for the golf segment. And now you combine it and you say, I want to target people that are interested in all my copywriting stuff and they must also be interested in my golf. So I have the people that are interested in copywriting, but they not only must be interested in copywriting, but also into golf. And now you create an ad that specifically talks to those people. And it says, for example, are golfers the better copywriters? So imagine this now. You are a passionate golf player and it happens so that your day job is also work in marketing, and you scroll through your Facebook newsfeed or you are on Instagram and you see an ad that asks, are golfers the better marketers? Of course you need to read it because it talks to you directly. It really feels like the ad is written to you. And that is why the unrelated targeting is a great way to escape the information and ad overload that is currently out there on social media. And of course, you can play with this concept endlessly. So you can not only unrelatedly target golfers or people that are interested in fishing. It could be golfing, fishing. It could be females, right? Are females the better copywriting? Whatever combination you can think of that you can put in an ad and make the potential customer feel like you really directly talk to them. That way it is highly relevant, you get their attention, and if you have a good product and the rest of your sales funnel is in line, you will get that conversion. So that is basically the introduction on unrelated targeting, and for us it worked really well. Let me know in the comments, have you tried this hack yourself? Do you think it can work for you too? Do you have any questions about it? Leave a comment, I'm happy to answer all of them. If you like this type of videos and you want to have more content like this, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Take care in the meantime.